So this is session 2, why we are putting this Linux introduction. Linux introduction, shell scripting, how to automate the example scripting, Python and shell script. Okay, why I am putting this? Because most of them know in earlier case, whoever learning the DevOps, they whoever want to learn the DevOps, they are from the different stream like support team, support support project experience, and they are Windows users, and they are the testers like this. So they are not understand the Linux, and most of the our server is 90% of our server is in Linux. So lately, no, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. There are a lot of reason is there. 90 percentage of our backend server, our backend wait, sorry, servers are Linux based. Linux based. Okay. Second, the IAC infrastructure as a code. Infra infrastructure as a code. That is no infrastructure as a code. You can naming it Chef. This is a old Puppet. This is also old. And now latest is Ansible. This is for, and if you are taking the only the AWS, this is only for AWS and PowerShell. This is for only for Azure. Okay, and these are not the code. The infrastructure as a code. Okay, it's nothing but the script. We need to write the script to automate, for automation, for this script no for the automation, for automate the jobs, automate the jobs. Okay, they are writing, and latest the AAC is what we are going to cover in the last Terraform. This is for on premises as well as, yeah, all cloud, all cloud. All cloud means what are the cloud is there? AWS, Azure, around 15 cloud providers is there, but no AWS, Azure, and Google is a market leader. So that's, we are talking about these three only. Around 15 market cloud providers is currently in the market, like Rackspace, Alibaba, and Salesforce. These are the other providers. Okay. So we are talking about the IAC, infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code means if a configuration, monitoring, and the process, entire setup, everything we are writing as a code script. Okay. Earlier in a traditional model, everything we are written in a shell script in a traditional model. We were written these automated script. That means automated jobs. So automatically, if one place the file is coming, or any file is coming, then no, it is moving to the some other place like that. If the server is running, if any error is happening, if when we are deploying, when the out of memory error or any error is happening, then immediately it is in coming populated in a log. Then immediately our script is doing something, sending the mail. sending the mail to everyone. Whoever in the support project, no, they are sending a out of memory error is happening like that, because it's not possible to watch the entire server in always. So we were writing the this kind of Linux script. So that now modern world, it's coming like this. So earlier we were do like this. We were written these automated scripts mostly in shell script, because the obvious reason is 90% of our backend server is Linux. That's why. Okay, and they are written the Windows based script also, but mostly in the Linux only. Okay. So for this purpose, we need to know, because in future now we are going to learn the Chef and the Puppet and the Ansible. So we need to know at least know this traditional model shell script. So at least we need to know, because we are going to do or not, but we need to know, because it's like a script. So scripting, no, we need to know at least no familiar with. We are not going to master, at least no familiar with. Okay, if we need to write, okay, this is the syntax. Okay, this is a indentation. So we need to save like this. Like this, no, we need to know. So that's why we are putting this Linux introduction shell scripting like this. Okay. So Linux, no, Linux based Linux, if you are already knowing, no problem. If you are not, no. So Linux is like a Unix based operating system. Linux. So Linux is a family of open source Unix like operating system based on the Linux kernel. On operating system kernel first released. Okay, these are the history. So this Linux called us. So Linux is Unix based operating system. Unix based operating system. So it's a client server model. So client server model. Windows is not like that. Windows is a only desktop model, but a Windows server is a later no Windows server again client server model is coming, but no Linux is even terminal is a terminal model we are calling as. Terminal model means it is look like okay, either they are giving the picture or no, see that. So it's a hardware operating system. Okay, end user who created the Linux is done by the Linus Linus Torvalds. Okay, he is actually, so in the base run he is only Linux is coming. Okay, server is Redguard, embedded on Android, desktop is Ubuntu. Okay, benefits. It's for me. I learn. That's why. Okay, these are no just a way. Learning we can cover that also. Okay. So it is to look like terminal system we usually called as is a server, Linux server. It's connected by the client. So client is a terminal. Okay, a lot of client they are using the. These are the machines. Okay, are no one client, there are a lot of user here, no the user and everyone is connecting, and no there is no data is stored in the terminal. That is the main thing, because why I am putting no this is a terminal. Terminal means user is using terminal, this one terminal, this one terminal. So in this terminal, no, there is no data is storing. So data, everything storing in here in server. Okay. But no, here from the terminal, from the client side, they are giving the commands, and all the commands is processing here through the server. So it's a more secured systems in the world. That's why the 90% of 90% of even 95% we can say that in a backend server, backend server is only using the Linux only. Windows is very, very rare. Windows also using, but no, it's a completely Windows based infrastructure, everything. No, they are using the Windows. But nowadays everyone is moving to the cloud. Cloud is most of the backend server is Linux. Okay. Even Azure also, most of the is a Windows based cloud. Most of the no, we can create the Linux server also there in Azure. But now I really don't know the Azure is they are completely using the Windows or completely using the Linux. Okay, whatever maybe, because that is we really don't know. We no need to probe that topic because that is not necessary. So, but now mostly the Linux is we are using as a operating system, and Linux flavor, Linux distribution. We are called as always Linux distributions. Why we are called as Linux distribution? This is a open source. Okay, this is a completely open source. So open source is anybody can use without any fee, without paying any amount. So open source always called as open source, and open source, usually the company, they are not using as it is, because as open source is involved lot of contributors. What is a contributors? Contributors is they are the volunteer. We can say that volunteers. So volunteers, what they does know, suppose I am a passion with the code or a passion with this, then I become a volunteer. Then they are having the suppose some body, some authorized body like Apache Foundation, like this. Okay, like this, Linux also Linux Foundation is there. Then I am applying. Hey, I am very interested to do that. Then they are they are doing some criteria. They are taking interview or something. Then they are approved. Okay, Ganamadi is a contributor, like this. Then I need to contribute whatever my learning, and no, they are maintaining the like same software. No, we are maintaining the Jira ticket. They are testing, and these are the option going to implement this kind of as usual software. How we are doing, software is keep on running. We are keep on testing, and the end user, they are posting. Okay, we need to have this option need to be improved, like this. We are maintaining that request in one Jira kind of or test case kind of things. Then the contributor, the person is coming who are involved in creating the software. They are and seeing this all the options, and they are trying to do the code, or doing the some options, and all the code everything is finalized. Then they are setting up the deployment. Then a deployment is done. Then after deployment done, then after testing everything, they are releasing the new version. Okay, suppose the version is 1.1. Then after they are doing all these changes and everything, then now 1.2. So it's a minor version. Then if they are doing the very huge changes, then it's a new version. Instead of 1.2, they are saying that 2, version 2, like this. So this is as usual normal software development is happening. Only thing is here the open source, these persons not paid persons, these persons are volunteer, they are not a payer. Okay, they are volunteer, they by the person, no, they are attending. they are approaching and they are contributing. The problem is in the open source, suppose enterprise using the open source, there is no paid support. There is no paid support. Paid support, why paid support means? Because I am an enterprise, I am using in the open source, suppose Linux, or I have some problem, then no, these persons are not a paid person, they are the volunteer. So volunteer, no, there is no SLA. There is no SLA. Suppose I am facing some problem, I am an enterprise side, I am facing some problem, give the solution. They are the contributor. So the company or the company, they are taking this open source, and open source can be distributed freely. So I am the another one company. I am taking this open source and making some changes because it is available for free. I can contribute free. So I'm taking and some changes. I make it as a tool, and I can sell it because now I am putting some amount of work. So I can sell it. Then that is called as distribution, open source distribution. So open source distribution means here Linux distribution, because we are doing some work, okay, on the top of open source uh, code. I provide some work, okay, some options, make it is a life easier. Okay, I'm making is a tool kind of things, taking the open source and making the tool kind of thing, then naming it my name like this, because after that I putting some work, then I can sell that. Okay, I can sell that. You cannot sell that this open source, you cannot sell that, but open source distribution, no, you can sell that. I provide some options, some changes, okay, changes or upgrade upgrades upgradation means some options, okay, some make a life easier, okay, make life easy, kind of changes, okay, kind of changes. Then I name it, okay, I name it. This is called as open source distribution. Open source distribution means currently we are seeing in the Linux. So Linux distribution. So these companies, this person, no, I can give the free also, because I put some work, I am taking the open source code, or I can sell it also because I am putting my work. That's why. So we can sell also, can sell, or or no, what subscribe. Subscribe means I can sell the um, I can sell the license wise, or no, I am saying that okay, giving this distribution, and you can pay if you want to support, you can pay like this. Okay, this kind of I can sell also, and subscribe. Subscribe is monthly, you can pay like this. Okay. So these are the open source distribution. So Linux distribution is currently Red Hat. Red Hat is a leader. So now they are bought by the IBM, and CentOS. CentOS open source enterprise level distribution, and Debian, Ubuntu, Ubuntu. These are the leader. Okay, and then HP is SCO, Linux, and HP Linux. There are a lot of distribution is there, but now these are the leader. Red Hat, CentOS, Debian, Ubuntu. These are the leaders. Okay. Now we already have the, now I am coming to the biggest theories over. So I just give the intro only. So we already set up in Oracle VM VirtualBox. As I said, no, we are giving some familiaries with this concept and familiaries with this kind of scripting concept. Okay, for that only we are putting this class, because no, most of the no, my earlier case, no, most of them no, they are not belongs to Linux person, Linux background. So when we are explaining, no, they are finding very difficulties, and that's why I plan to at least put one session, no, they're familiar with this, at least a VA editor. VA editor, this kind of familiar with, no, that is very good. In later, no, it is good. Even they are not a expert, at least no, they understand pretty much, you know, they are understand pretty much, they are doing okay. This will be like this only, like that, instead of seeing like a aliens. Okay, so this is the same password, OS boxes.org. This is a Ubuntu 16 point. This is also one of the distribution. Yes. So always terminal. A little bit make. How can make big? I cannot. Oh, okay. I make it a little bit big. How to make this as a big? Full screen mode. Okay. I really don't know. Terminal need terminal. Okay, file. Open terminal view. Oh, oh, oh shit. I cannot make it. Okay. What is happening? 1 minute. Oh, Okay, we don't want to fight this because whatever maybe this is okay. Hmm. This only increasing, nothing is increasing. I wanted this portion is increasing. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. See, this is the terminal. Okay. I am giving the couple of okay, just another 40 minutes now. Nearly we are going to see this. I'll say to this also to you. Okay, one by one, and session two and self scripting. So what scripts are is a components that make up a script. How to use the variables in your script. Okay, I will share this. Okay, I am coming to directly to this. So any script we need to return by the editor. Okay, in Linux, we need to edit the editor. Latest now coming the Vim editor, but before that, no, we are called as from the VI only the VI editor. VI editor, no, I am giving some shortcut also because why we need to learn the VI editor, because in Linux, most of the Linux based system we are editing the everything through the this editor only, VI editor. So VI editor, I'll share this also. Okay, I'm coming to the VI editor. This is this is a base where the kernel is there, no, that path. This is bin bash. Bash is a kernel. Okay, kernel is a like we can say that application. Okay, daemon. The where is a engine is running. No, that is a kernel. Okay, we understand like that level. That is enough. Okay, suppose vi. Okay, vi. Ah, okay, VI. This is a scripting. Okay, script, script, script dot sketch. I am naming the sketch. Sketch is a shell script. Okay. So if I am enter, then I can get like this. I can get like this. So I am entering this same thing. The what has this is a like normal script, when it is running it is not taking this, but no, the interpreters understand that okay, this is a bash, that's why we are putting this a hash is like a commands. Okay, so what I am doing now, I am writing new. Okay, so escape I. Escape I is coming like this. So escape I. Oh my God. 1 minute. BISC1. Okay, SC1. Yes, sketch, because that is already written yesterday. So now it's coming SC1. So escape I. something escape I. Escape I means what happened? Uh, phew. Uh, oh shit. Ah, why is coming like this? It's where. Okay. So we editor escape. Okay, escape plus I, then plus I. Okay, I then is a insert mode. Insert mode. Okay. Escape plus right. Right means W and Q. That means right and quit. It what happen now is a save the file. Save the file. Okay. Escape. So always escape is an initiator plus A. That is append with the existing. Okay. Then escape plus Q. Then it is a quit without change. Quit without saving anything. So we are typing, we are wrongly typing, then no, instead of modifying, we can do it like that. So escape plus DD, removing entire line. Entire line. Okay. So let us start now. I'm giving like this because uh, entire line. Escape plus escape X. So removing the character where the cursor is there, no, there it is removing the character. So I will share to you because even no need to master in this, at least know this. Okay, so we will run the couple of things. Okay, uh, okay, let it be there. I am not making it a big or something because something is happening here. We no need to waste our time. OS boxes .org. Okay, I'm not making it big, so vi script1, okay, dot sketch, um, no, okay, bin dot bash, okay, then echo means print, okay. Scripting is fun, okay, not a problem. Scripting is fun. Then escape this colon wq, then no explanation. So escape colon, okay, escape colon wq, okay. So I am coming out now. No, see, it's lslrt, okay. So here script1 is there, script1 is there. So how to we run this? We need to give the some ch mode, okay, that is write permission, sorry, execute permission. So 755, you can know that 755 is, what is 755? Okay, 9 is ch uh, ch mode 755. So it is look like this. Read, write, execute. Okay, these are the three permission is there usually. So who is using? The user is user, group, others. So if the user is want to read what 4, he want to write 2, execute 1. So in total 7. So 7 means user can write, read, write, execute. Okay. Then group can read is 4 and 755. So read is no, write is he cannot write anything and he can execute because that is a 5. If it is a giving the 7 means he can write also. So 5 and others. Others read is 4. So he cannot, they should not write. They can execute. So 5. So 755. So we are giving the here access as a 755. Oh, I need to save this, otherwise suppose if I 1 minute. Notes to session to notes. Okay, now so we are coming here. Now no you can ch mode, okay, 755, ch mode 755. What is the script name? Script1, okay. Script1 dot sketch. No search. Sorry, spelling mistake. Script1 dot sketch. Okay, now it's done. So before no, see here. Here read write only. Now ls lrt. See here. Script1 read write execute, read no write execute, read write execute. So this is the difference. So now execute permission we are giving. Now how to we run this? Like this we need to run. Script1 dot sketch. So scripting is fun. It is a displaying. So it's a simple like that only. This is the like a hello world, no? We are doing that. Okay, this everything is the same only. There here is the kernel is different. Bin C sketch, K sketch, like this kernel is there. So next is sleeping. Okay, I'm giving the randomly. I'm running some script. Okay, to familiarize with, because this as I said, no, we are not going to master in this. At least no familiarize. Okay, because why this is needed later? No, the all the script is based on the shell script only. If you are going for the Ansible or no, Ansible is like a YAML. Again, that is also script only. Puppet, Chef, everything is a script only. So at least no, we need to familiar with this. Otherwise, no, it is very difficult to understand. That's why. So now sleep. Vi sleep dot sh. Okay, escape I. Where is okay? Win bass. Okay, sleep 90. That means 90 is too much. Okay. So now no, I need to escape X. So X. Okay. So escape I. Then no, it's like a 30. Okay. So 30 seconds. We need to CH mode 755 sketch. Okay, how to be run like this? Sleepy, that is sketch. See here, nothing is displaying because no sleepy 30 seconds. Oh, where is the seconds? Okay, anyway, now around 10 seconds is already over. 5 seconds. So after 30 seconds, now it is coming out. Yes, it's coming. Now no PS. Okay, PS is okay. When running only, we need to do the PS. Okay, not a problem. Process. Okay, the interpreter execute the script. Okay, sleepy sketch. Okay, then this is no like a background. Background. No, now it is. We can run like this also. Uh, this is a background. It's a background means so now I can see the now it is a script is running. This is ampersand no running the background. Okay, now script is running. Now no ps hyphen fp one what is 1999. Okay, so this is the that a process, that is sleepy process, no, that is running. That is what is the process it is we are seeing that. Okay, now this is same thing only. More than that shell script. Okay, we can return the Python also. If the Python interpreter, then it is become a Python. So just Python ba dot Python dot sketch. No, Python is not a okay. Hi dot Python. Okay. Hi dot py. So escape I has okay usr bin Python. Python is default here is there. So this is not echo. It's a print. This is Python script. Okay. Escape. Okay. ch mode 755 hi Python. Okay. Now how do we run this? The same only. hi.py. So it is this is a Python script. Okay, because no, we are here can run the Python script also like this. So variables, storage location that have the name value pairs. So how to put the variable? No, we are defining some variable and calling that variable like this. Okay. So assign command output as a variable. So server name is host name. Okay, server name is host name. Then no, echo you are running this script like this. So server host name. Okay. Then variable name invalid character. Three letters. Invalid is first three letters. Okay. Oh, underscore is allowed, but no, this hyphen is not allowed when we are putting this. Okay. These are the file operators. True if file is a directory. True if e file, f file like this. Okay, string operators. That's why this is a very big. No, we are just familiarized with this only, so no need to worry. So if else we can do the if else also. If my cell is bash, then no, you display this. If else no, otherwise it is display like this. So if else, so, if else, if else if and else. There are two or three conditions. Then for loop. For loop means for variable name in item to this like this. So for color in red, green, blue, do the color. So one by one loop. It is coming as a loop. So output is a color is red, green, blue like this. Okay. And pictures date. Okay. This is some example. Positional parameters. Okay, this I will share to you because no, this is not necessary. But no, if you are having the interest, you please can do this. Okay, this is a exist status. This is a kind of no we are familiar with because no is not everywhere we are writing the Linux scripting because now we are moving to the all whatever I am saying no Ansible like this. So at least no we need to know okay this is can be done like this only. The goes to Google okay goes to Echo host is reachable. The semicolon separate okay exit command okay. Host is google.com ping if a ping is host if the dollar is a host is a google.com is not reachable okay not reachable not available with a zero then no it is echo host is reachable then exit one and exit zero like this so exit status and functions we can return as a functions also. For repeating, no, we can do the functions. Functions call other functions. From the one function, no, we can call the other function also. Yes. Variable scope. Okay. Yeah, I'll say this. Then wildcards. Wildcards means suppose we are putting the star, then display everything. The character or string used for the pattern. Matches zero or more characters. So matching for testing, we can do the wild cards also. More wild cards. Okay. Suppose if I am putting the A to Z, A to G, then know what are the displaying A, B, C, D up to A to G. Everything. The range is displaying. So like this, there are a lot of things there. Okay. Then wild card in script. Okay, suppose bin bash cd var www cp cp means copy star.html, whatever the html file is there, no, that to where www just html for this folder. So here, no, this is a star is wildcard. So in for loop cd where, okay, for file in star.html, what are the file, no, star.html is there, then no do copying the file, cp the file, the each file to this folder like this. So it's a purely the script only in for loop, okay, and case statement. Case statement means if this case is do like this, if this case do like this. Case dollar var in pattern one commands go here. Okay, we are seeing the example because they are explanation only. Oh, okay. Okay, read P, enter Y, yes or no, answer, case answer. That means whatever they are entering, no. If yes, small y or big Y or small y, big Y, no, echo answer is yes. If no, small n or big n, no, then no, answer is you are no. Suppose they are putting the some other character, then no, invalid answer. So this is a if else, like a switch case, no, like this case statement. While loops. While loop is keep on going to inside. While loop, infinite loop, loop control. So while condition is true, then now go for these conditions. Infinite loops. Okay. Example, loop 5 times. Suppose index 1, while index is lesser than the 6, do like this. Okay. Echo creating the project. Okay. Output loop is 5 times. Okay. We can do this also. Just vi loop.sketch. Okay. What is no? Dollar bin but base base copy. Okay, echo creating. Okay, I cannot copy this, I think. Okay, because never. Okay, anyway, we will see that. Creating the project. Okay, index mkdir user local project index. Done. We cannot copy this because this is inside. Okay, so this is another one system. Okay, so we cannot copy. Okay, I can. It is nothing but the no, the project one creating project one 5 project will be create. Okay, anyway, bin pass index equal to 1 while y dollar Index, okay. Index is lesser than 6. That means up to 5 times. Okay. Do. Okay, what I need to do? Echo creating project. Project hyphen dollar. Okay. Make it is a index. Okay. Then mkdir. Mkdir is make directory. Where mkdir, oh, this is the biggest problem. dd mkdir, okay, usr local, project dollar, then no index. Okay, now index uh, index plus plus. Okay, index plus plus. Keep running and done. Okay, this is chmod 755 loop.sh. Okay, it will run. Command not found. Lion 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is not taking. I really don't know why. While dollar only is need to be take, but no. Okay. That's not a problem. This dollar is not taking. Okay. Study itself, I face this problem. Okay, that no time to do this because no, that is not our thing. Instead of that, no checking a user input, I can do this user input. Okay, because this is we need to know vi user dot sh. We need to do the this bin bash only, correct only. Okay. Okay. And no. Oh, who is coming like this? Okay. Uh, hmm. If no string under the cursor, okay, no problem. While I think it could take dollar is usually not taking. Enter your name. Correct. Okay, correct. Not equal to y. Okay, do. Okay, I think it's in our run because we are unnecessarily way waste the time. Name, correct. Then correct. Okay, done. Okay, enter your name. Okay, is Ganavadi is correct? Yes. Okay. Oh, if a correct is correct. Okay. No. Then I enter your name. Okay. Yes, keep on going. Okay, enter. Yes. So it is coming out. So this is like this. Okay. Uh, okay, reading the file line by line. Okay, this is the shell script is very big. So just we want to familiarize with no this concept only. We are taking this session. Okay. So tomorrow this is tomorrow is what is a JIT and branching and merging the complete hands-on. Okay, what is JIT? And JIT is nearly JIT flow. There's two classes there. So tomorrow this class is there as I explained yesterday. Then after that we are putting the nearly 1 week gap, and again we are meeting at 15th. Nearly 15th. Okay, 15th. No, we are meeting. From the 15th. No, we are continuously done the sessions. Okay, so this is our plan. Okay, because these three class three sessions I am going to so outside, and I am if the more enrollment is coming, then I use it. Otherwise, whatever is available, from that person, I am going to continue. Okay, for getting the more person only, I am putting the 1 week gap. So tomorrow we'll go to see that what is a JIT code repository. Okay. So do you have any questions I can answer? Otherwise, we can wind up. Sorry again for the late starting. Um, okay, that is my apologies only. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No questions
Oh, okay.
now.
Okay. Okay.
So, These materials, I mean, it is like the scripting is a little vast, so I think we need to work on it, and then only we can get some
Yeah, this is
hands-on.
as I said, no, this is to familiarize. Familiarize means suppose anybody is talking, no, okay, yeah, self script is there, like that. Okay, you cannot offended by whenever talking, no, you immediately not afraid of not offended, not afraid. You are not going to afraid because here onwards, because at least you know this. Okay, not necessary to practice this because this is a very old method. Now instead of this only, we are nowadays doing the all the scripting, IAC scripting. So this was done like this. No, that way, no, we are understand this. Okay, but no, instead of throwing this, no, you can throw the Ansible. Later we are covering, no, that is very helpful in the DevOps career. But this is, the shell script is usage is very, very less nowadays. Nowadays, not traditional nowadays, because instead of that, no, they are using the Ansible, Terraform, like this IAC. So not necessary to get the thorough. So that I am saying, just familiarize.
Okay.
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 Uh, okay. Any
Tomorrow
other?
we'll be having the same time,
Yes,
so
yes, 6:30
after
only.
that Monday, next Monday.
Uh, Sorry.
And after that, you have one
After
week
that,
gap, and you continue
yes,
on
yes.
next Monday. Is it
Yeah,
right?
next Monday. Maybe next Monday
Okay.
or
Okay.
Sunday or like this. I will announce because in this group now I will do that. But at least 5 or 6 days we need to gap. That is a
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Do you have any other questions? If you're asking, then I can wind up. Vikas, do you have any questions? No. Okay. 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 We'll wind up and we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.